Hello, I want to show you guys this Asus Chromebook that I just got in. This is a C214M model. It's a really unique model. This one was made in 2020 year, so it's fairly new, a couple years old. It's made to be more durable. As you see on the edges, it's rubber coated, which is really nice, especially for classrooms and stuff. This one is used, obviously. You can see kind of the wear on it. This stuff would not come off either, like these marks, so it does get a lot of wear easily. But this was probably used in a classroom. This came from a university type situation setup. As you see, that's the information about it. I am going to be selling this one, so it's going to be listed on our eBay store, and I will provide the link in the information of this video. And I'm going to show you guys what I like so much about it. As you see, this is really unique. I've never seen this yet, and I might just not be keeping up on my Chromebooks, but look at this. That is a rear camera. You say, I say rear camera. This thing will flip over. This is a touch screen, so it flips, does the 360 thing. So see, now that we flipped it, you got your touch screen. This here is your rear camera. So that's kind of unique. I had never seen such. Like, maybe I'm just not keeping up on my Chromebooks, but that's kind of cool. I just never had seen that design. But it is a matte anti-glare screen, which is nice, so you don't get a lot of reflection. Touchscreen. Yeah, it's kind of just a cool, durable design, lightweight. Nice feeling keyboard too. It's kind of like a MacBook feel keyboard design. So it's kind of a nice, just nice portable computer. As you see on the side, we've got your volume control as your power button, USB-C port. I don't know exactly what this is. I was messing with it. Maybe some models have like a stylus. I don't think this thing does, because I cannot get that to come out. So I'm thinking that's where a stylus goes, if it's equipped with one. I don't think this is a stylus, because I cannot get it out of there. No. So yeah, this is just a nice computer, really. It's lightweight, and so yeah, really nice. Would be a good like work computer, I would say. If you have to travel and need something real portable and stuff, this is a great one. So yeah, of course it does leave marks on it. I'm guessing this was something that kind of etched the plastic, but they're all going to get that eventually. But I like the rubber on these edges, because if you just slightly hit an edge, most laptops, it will crack or it will leave a mark of some sort. This isn't going to leave anything, so that's nice. Yeah, so leave comments if you have any comments about it on this video. As you do see on this other side, I didn't show you the ports, but another USB-C port. This is a micro SIM card slot. Wait, no, not a SIM card. Micro SD card slot. And then headphone mic port too, combo, and then USB-A port there. Which, that's something too. Some don't even have USB-A anymore, so that's kind of nice to have it on this thing. Yeah. So, like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel for more of these type videos. Thanks for watching today.